Just got my hair system installed. We're at the gym right now, gonna get a little workout in and see how well it does with some sweat. Let's go. Now, I sweat a lot when I work out. I usually want to wipe my face off. When you have a hair system, you can't exactly do that. You're gonna mess with it. So instead of doing that, come over with me, grab a paper towel, and just pat yourself down a couple times. You might feel stupid, but your hair system will last a lot longer. Trust me. Whether you like to walk, jog, or run, the hair system's gonna be just fine, I promise. I'm gonna tell you what, I put this thing through the ultimate test today. I sweat a bunch, I went for a run, and it stayed just fine. Doesn't matter if you're running, working out, or whatever, your hair system's gonna be good. But please remember, you need to wait at least 24 hours after getting installed to get a vigorous sweat. Otherwise, it's not gonna stay as long. Well, let me tell you what, it's battle tested. It works.